Today we're going to be diving into the world of Telegram mini apps, an exciting feature that allows developers to create rich and interactive experiences right within the Telegram app. Let's explore how these apps work and what they can do. Well, Telegram mini apps are web applications that can run seamlessly inside Telegram platform. Utilizing JavaScript, developers can craft flexible interfaces that can replace traditional websites. Imagine accessing your favorite services without leaving the app. Just like that, mini apps come packed with features they support. So this may mean that users can log in effortlessly with the support of over 20 payment providers, including Google Pay, Apple Pay. Transactions are like a breeze. One of the things is a tailored notification that keeps users engaged. Telegram is constantly evolving. Here are some of the recent updates. The new features like vertical swipes for easy navigation and a biometric manager was added to enhance security. Then the improved customization options for the app's appearance. So these updates ensure that developers have the tools they need to create the top-notch user experiences. So the design guidelines with examples of good practices. When designing mini apps, keep these guidelines in mind. Ensure that your app looks great on any device. You need also to aim for a fluid experience, animations running at 60 frames per second. Always include labels for inputs and images. By following these principles, your mini app will not only be functional but also user-friendly. Developers can now launch mini apps in various ways, using keyboard buttons to initiate apps directly from the custom keyboard. Inline buttons create an interactive experience like provide quick access through the bots menu. Open the apps directly in the charts by keeping the context intact. So the flexibilities are fantastic, allowing for endless possibilities. Telegram mini apps are transforming how we interact within the app, making services more accessible and engaging. Whenever your developer is looking to create a mini app or a user eager to explore, there is something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.